What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? What's good? What's good? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back or welcome to another video of Show This World. If you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button, turn your post notifications on. What you're doing, right there, hit that like button, comment something nice in the comment section down below. Now let's just right into this video. So I'm going to be doing a back to school Shein haul edition. I have all of these packages full of Shein clothes. So the try on portion will be like a little video or something over here, and there will be a picture of what it looked like on the Shein website. So let's open this package. I just got this one yesterday. Well, really, I got it this morning. It said it was in a box, and I picked it up this morning. And I got it this morning. So I kind of already know what's in this one, but really don't know what it really looks like. So first things first, we got this a purse. It's gonna be my back to school purse. Oh, it's cute. Okay. Wasn't expecting it to be this small, but I do have a few bags from Shein that are this small. But this first bag is a good size. I remember buying this stuff. Right now, I don't forgot. Oh, this is the skirt. So, I got this long maxi skirt. Woo. You see the buttons on the side? Before I got interrupted by the phone call, make sure you put your phone on Do Not Disturb if you're also a YouTuber watching me. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb before you start filming. Because once you start filming, people are going to call you. So I was showing this maxi skirt. Okay, next bag we got, don't know, let's see what it is. Oh, this is a pair of pants as well. That was a long skirt. These are pants. Oh my goodness, bro. These look see-through. This is see-through. This quality is a little bit see-through. Next package, it looks like a dress. I think this is the dress I ordered. Oh, it is a dress. So we got this, like, it says Sweet Life 89. Sweet Life 89. It's so cute. And it, like, has these ropes at the side, on the side of the dress. Look at that. Not bad. It kind of feels like some thick material. This feels thick. The sleeves feel thick. But the dress itself, it's like okay. It's like okay material. It's not thin like the other dresses. Next package. I'm gonna keep these Shein bags this time. So when I go places, I'll put everything in these bags. It's a top. I was about to say this is a top that I've been looking like a different top, but no, this is this top. I was like for a second, I was like, I know I did not order this top, but I did order this. So it's like this I was about to say multi-purpose, multiple colored, multiple patches, a patchwork shirt, and it's like ruffles. So in this package, I got some earrings. Woo. Let me show y'all what these look like. They look super cute. Let me tell you about the package. I was very skeptical about buying jewelry offline. But look at these. If we would focus, tap. It won't focus, but you can kind of see it. Okay, we got another purse. The stuff that I bought off of Shein, I bought for a reason because it kind of, like everything I bought off Shein, if it's not a dress, like if it's a shirt or pants, it's probably an outfit that I'm going to be putting together. So I got this purse. It's a purse, but the chains are here, so the chains on the inside. Or something compact. I like this. It's going to go to my collection. Okay. Y'all see the little design in the package? This was an outfit that I planned in my head, and I seen on the model, like the picture, how it was styled on her. That's the only reason why I got it. So this might look a little crazy, but if you see the picture, I'm gonna put the picture up. But she looked so cute. It was like tied in the front. Look at this shirt. I thought this shirt was so cute. And it like has different words on it. It's giving like pictures of architect and stuff, like buildings and stuff. This shirt is cute. I got to go with that shirt. It's a shirt. Is this package right here. I think this is it. It should be. Yes. I got this plain black. Ooh, I thought this was gonna be a little longer, but it's just a plain black dress. Like when I say plain black, it's just plain black. There's no style to it. I got this to wear and then put that on and like tie it up. Okay, we got the last two packages left, and this is actually an outfit to go together, but I'm gonna show you it separately. So we got this. You see the colors. Let's take it out the package. Okay, so we got this like, it's a cropped button-up, a crop button-up. You see the colors? It's got green in it, brown, this light blue, and then like some other color greens in it. So you see this top? You see it? Keep this in mind. Keep the colors, this color scheme in mind. Let's open this package now. Oh, I'm not trying to break the bag because I want to keep them. Look at this. Look at this brown skirt. It's a brown skirt. I thought this was a skirt where it like had the short pants on the inside, but it doesn't. But it doesn't matter. I can put shorts on there. Look at this brown. Yes, it kind of looks big. I'm really hoping it's not big, or if it is, I'm gonna just have to get it tailored. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get this tailored because it's kind of looking way too big. But you see the shirt? The brown in the shirt goes with the brown in the skirt. Now this would be something I would wear. I don't know what is going to be my first day of school outfit. I was thinking this, but I'm like, no, let me not just wear all my new clothes on the first day of school. But do you see this match? Yes, I be thinking before I buy. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you liked any other pieces that you've seen, please go shop on Shein right now. They do have a back to school like little sale going on, if it's still going on by the time this video comes out. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, subscribe. What are you doing? While you edit, hit that like button and comment something nice in the comment section down below. And I will see you guys in my next video.